So guys, I have bought this breadboard, solderless breadboard, for just $4. It's named MB102 Stellar Source Electronic. Let's open and see what's inside this breadboard and how it's connected. I have used this breadboard and I burned this here, and I thought, why not to open to see what's inside? So let's open. Let me just a few seconds to make it ready for you. Okay, let's see. Now it's ready. Look at the connections. Parallel strips, bars, bus bars. As you can see here, parallel but anti-parallel with this here. So vertical and horizontal lines. Those are connected. Numbers are connected with each other but spaced by categories. This is the power supply, plus minus, that you can connect into power supply. There are two power supplies, one for one part and one for the second part. Those are with connections that you can connect another one. It has a various type of them. It has a smaller one that costs $2. I choose it to buy this for $1. This focusing is not focusing right now. As you can see, are numbers up to 60, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Here you can see plus, minus. There are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. The same as here. And even plus, minus here. So guys, this is what's inside and under this breadboard. Have a nice day. See you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. With watching my videos and sharing my videos, you teach someone else electronics and electrical engineering stuff. So have a nice day.